Hey, welcome back to Printing Workshop. I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to show you how to change a toner out on an AltaLink B8090. First thing you're going to want to do, open that front cover. Once you're inside, you have an orange latch right here that holds your R1 or your toner in place in the machine. So you're going to grab that orange latch and turn it to the left like that, or counterclockwise, and then right here you just grab that toner and it just slides straight out of the machine. Alright, so you have your new toner, you're ready to go in. So you can take your toner, you just put it in the R1 hole and just push it all the way in. Now when you push it all the way in, it might twist a little, that's normal, it's just locking in place. And then when you let go, it may push out just a hair. That's normal, that's what this latch is for. So you're gonna turn the latch to the right or clockwise. You just close your front cover. Now on this model, and this model specifically, when you close that front cover, it's gonna give the message on the screen, did you replace the toner? If you replaced it with a new toner, hit yes. If you put the old toner back in there, hit no. Anyway, that's about how simple it is to change toner on a B8090. If you'd like to see more how-to videos on this same model, click here. Hey everybody, from all of us here at the Printing Workshop, we'd like to say thank you for taking a look at our videos. If you have any questions about this model or any other Xerox models, leave us a comment. And as always, remember, like and subscribe.